So in this video we are to show you a basic plot for becomes for SUMLeger project. You are using NumPy, Matplotlib, the classical libraries for Python. We are plotting the drilling plot. We have around 800 meters subvertical, and finally we have a degradation angle to became inside the reservoir. So we are plotting lithology coring with we have a calcareous and a clayston, in the alternates of calcareous clayston in the first 800 meters, and after we have the dolomitized geological layers. So we have a lithology color option. Show, for example, we have gray, but we can show also, for example, orange. For clayston, and we have this for clayston and orange, for example, for calcareous rock. Orange. We try the plot with subvertical deviation to dolomites, and we can start to plot. So here show the plot in 3D dimension with precise coordinated. So we start from the coordinated here. So we have the precise point of starting drilling and also the zeta factor, and we have tracked for all point in the coordinated. So because you have this, good. So you have finally this plot. So you have this plot with the 3D well bore trajectory on offshore well, on offshore wells with UTM coordinated. So this is the starting, easting and north, and you are replotting all project in UTM coordinated with this, and you have the plot of precision point of deviation. You can track a single step with length and XY coordinated, yeah, like this. For example, you have this alter with this interval with sand and clay, calcareous rock, sand, clay, calcareous rock, is like turbidite sequence, and finally you can plot also the different part with gamma ray, resistivity and porosity logs. So with different color you are plotting the well trajectory, the resistivity log with red, and gamma ray for this, and finally you can also export in HTML. So finally we can export all with HTML, so you can send for example for other clients to visualize without property software, and other troubles. You can visualize this situation. You have the well trajectory for the starting point, so it's just with ambient. Rotation. Okay. So you have this situation, is basic this situation. And so you have this kind of plot. You are plotting this. So is the starting point of drilling here with well trajectory, and you have this. Finally we change to enter in the deepest reservoir, And so you are also plotting the gamma ray, you have the resistivity logs, and finally also the gamma ray. You are plotting this in free view, in free 3D view, correlating to the geological formation.